Good morning, everyone. I'm Mark Jonas Lundag, and I'm here to discuss about the weather forecast information at sea. So first, let us define what is a weather forecast. A weather forecast is simply a scientific estimate of future weather condition. The seafarer is necessarily an amateur meteorologist. Detailed knowledge of weather conditions helps to navigate safely, taking better conditions on their chosen route. Seafarers have access to a diversified documentation that can be used in order to realize an overview of existing meteorological situation and estimate the future trend of the weather conditions. There are several types of weather message broadcast by radio in most parts of the world. Weather warnings, forecast messages, analysis and prognosis messages, synoptic messages. They add weather maps via radio facsimile received on board and Inmarsat, and also those prepared to ship based on direct observations made by seafarers. On board, seafarers have available numbers of documents and maps able to provide meteorological information required for practicing a safe navigation. How they manage to collect and manage information depends to a large extent on the experience they have gained. Realizing some proper correlation between data obtained from direct observations or from real data analysis can get an overview into the future evolution of weather conditions, and they can establish a convenient route accordingly. It is therefore important to know what resources are available to inform about the weather and the way in which they can operate conveniently. So, here are the steps in weather forecasting. The first step is observation. This is where the meteorologist observe the charts. Second step, collection and transmission of weather data. This is where they are collecting the data and then transferring and transmission of weather data. Third step, plotting of weather data. This is where they plot or predict where is the weathers. Fourth step, analysis of weather maps, satellite and radar imageries and other data. And the fifth and final step is formulation of the forecast. This is where they finalize their weather forecast. And that's all. Thank you.